There's going to be one less Indian on the road.
Well, boys, I did it for Dale. Got rear-ended. More than a little rear-ended, schwapped, if you will.
Well, it ripped the back seat right out of the fender right there. Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you are staying safe out there. I hope you are enjoying your time off if you are off. In this video right here, we are going to start tearing apart this Harley to get the new radio set up. I did get an amplifier. We're going to try to fit it underneath of the fairing. I don't quite have speakers yet for the bags. I may run to the store and get some. That's essential, right? Yeah, it's essential. It's almost riding season. So let's start tearing this apart and let's get to this. I'm also going to be honest. I've never taken this fairing apart and I really don't know what I'm doing, and I also really don't know how I'm going to hook up this amp, but we're going to figure it out together. So let's put you on a time lapse. Alright guys, we are going to run to the store, we are going to buy some speakers, we're going to sell the tow mirrors to somebody on the way, and then we are going to get some torque wrenches, or some torques, because I just don't have the right ones here, and it's being a pain in the butt. So, let's go. Alright guys, went to one Walmart and they didn't have the speakers I wanted. The other Walmart in town has it, so I am headed there. Alright guys, got everything we need. Now let's head back to the house. As we are back at the house, here's everything I bought. Let me show you. Let me flip this camera around. I'll show you what we got. Alright, right here we got our two 6x9 kicker speakers going in the saddlebag. Got some speaker wire. We already had that laying around. And we got our amp kit, so we have the power wire and everything we need to run it. Now I got a tote, so I have extra stuff to I have extra Harley parts I need to stick in the tote, so I have them all in one spot so they're not laying around everywhere. So let's get back working on this bike. Alright guys, so we are going to continue disassembling this bike and getting it ready to wire up. I think I do have to order a wiring harness, which if I do I will, but we're going to do everything up to that point. So why don't you sit back and relax and watch this. Another fail is I broke the tripod. But I mean, it kind of works. But we're gonna do the best with what we got, and we're gonna keep working on this. Let's get this other speaker into the lid. Okay, guys, it is the next day. I've been working on this. I've been really bad at filming, though. I did get everything wired in. Everything, all the wires ran. I tested out the speakers. I just plugged them into the stock speakers, and they work properly. I am waiting for the wiring harness that should be here in a few days, and we are going to finish the video then. So I will see you guys in a few days.
2,000 years later.
Welcome back, guys. It is a few days later, and the part we have been waiting for is here. Let's open it up, and let's get these speakers booming. Dang, this is a tough box. Hold on. There we go. Got it figured out. Wow. It's a box inside of a box. It's a lot less impressive than I expected. I'm still opening it. Now this goes here. Let's do it. Okay, so here it is. Now it comes with this clip, so if I want to use a Hog Tunes amp, I can. But I'm not going to. I'm just going to cut it and splice it and plug it right into the speakers, because it's all labeled for what. And then if that doesn't sound good enough, I'm just going to plug this right into my amp that I already have. So, come on. Hold on, let me click her. All clicked in, now let's splice some wires and make it happen. I'm going to put you guys on the tripod. Alright guys, so we have everything all mounted up for right now. It's just temporary. I am going to put some crimps in there, but I just wanted to make sure that it's going to work properly before I did all that, because then I might want to put the amp in. Or so let's just see what it looks like or sounds like. We're going to put some no copyright music on. Alright guys, so the camera did die and I didn't get to show you the music, but I like the sound of it. I might add an amp later if I want it a little louder, but it sounds good. So we are going to put this all back together and then I'll play it for you. Alright guys, we officially have no music in the Saddlebags. I am pumped, I am ready to ride. I was going to go for RIP today, but yeah. It's a little white out there, and I ain't taking two-wheel tractor out in this shit. So, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Hit the bell and move it up to all so you never miss a video. So you get all them notifications, and we will see you guys in the next video.